get my money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Adwoa. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to stop saying y'all because today's video is going to be a try on haul. I got a few things from Forever 21 from their Activewear line, and I wanted to show you guys and see if they are any good or if you should just save your money. I have used some of the things before because I bought these things months ago. You've probably seen one or two of them in thumbnails from my What I Eat in a Days. Sorry, this lip color is kind of taking me off guard. I'm not sure how I feel about it. So let's get started. So the first thing that I got is this like sports bra top thing. It has this design, crisscross type design in the back. I just wear this as a shirt because I get so hot when I'm in the gym. It's actually ridiculous. I got this top. As you can see, it's pretty see-through. It's very lightweight. It has a cut out in the back. I wear a sports bra underneath because well, first of all, look at how huge the armholes are, and why wouldn't you? I'm pretty sure you're supposed to. This is probably one of my favorite things to wear because there's so many like holes in the shirt, so it's super breathable, which is pretty awesome. Next is this olive green crop top. I wore this last night and it's decent. I got this in a size small. I got the sports bra thing in a size small, and the other shirt also in a size small. I like this because it's a crop top, and like I said, I get really hot when I'm at the gym, so I need things that are like breathable and don't restrict me. Honestly, a few years ago when I did work out, I would not get sweaty at all, so that meant I was not pushing myself, and that has changed because I get hot, so hot in my workouts. It's actually ridiculous. I did try these on, so if there's government stains, I do apologize. I got these high-rise biker shorts. They have these holes on the side, if I can just show you, which makes them pretty breathable. I got these in a size medium because small would not fit on me and it would restrict my thighs. Next, I have this white sports bra. I have this in black, but I got it in such a huge size, so it's basically a top on me, so I have to wear it under like shirts. So I got this one in a size small. That's what it looks like. One thing I do not like though is that they included padding, which is nice, but you can see the padding when you're wearing it, which is not cute. And I also like this design here at the bottom. And then I got this black sports bra. I got this in a size small, I believe. Yeah. And I think it's pretty cute. I don't really own a lot of sports bras, so I figured I should get some. It has a racer back, and I love this detailing that it has. And that shirt, sports bra shirt thing that I just showed you, I saw that they had them in more colors. They actually had this in like a kind of like a galaxy type color. I'm not really sure what the actual thing was, but I got this in red. It's basically the exact same thing with the same detailing at the back. This is gonna make me stand out in the gym, but it's okay. This is also in a size small. Oh, it is a sports bra, but I just wear it as a shirt because I'm scandalous. Next, I got this cropped tee in black. And I believe I got this in a medium. This looks like this. I just got this because I wanted more shirts to wear. And last but not least, I got another crop tee. This is supposed to be oversized, but it really isn't. I got this in a size medium. I probably should have gotten a large. It's just the shirt. It's a very nice soft material. This is, I said I got this in a medium, right? Not sure. That's the end of the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. Leave some comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Now come here, help you with your career. It's not good. At first, I was hesitant. You was 20, but intelligent.